Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including haul videos like this one. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recent haul I did of some coastal and lemon themed items from Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Target. So if you'd like to see what I got, stay tuned. If you've watched some of my recent videos, you know that I've been doing a lot of decorating with lemons, but I recently did a coastal vignette, excuse me, and I needed to get some items for that, and I decided I would do my family room in coastal decor. I hadn't been intending to do that, but I changed my mind, so I needed to pick up some things. So I thought I would go to Dollar Tree and see what they had, and of course I picked up some of the nautical rope. These are 9.5 feet long, so that should be plenty for what I need. So I only picked up one of those. But then I saw something very interesting I'd never seen before, and it's wired jute cord. And this is 7.5 feet. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this, but I thought it could come in very handy because you can shape it like so. And I think I'll be using it somehow in my decor. And I've never actually seen anybody else show this, so I thought I would show it to you. And then I did want to get some sand. So I managed to find a bag of white sand. They didn't have a lot of sand at the Dollar Tree I went to. They had some colored sand like magenta and purple and blue, but not a lot of plain colored sand. So this one is white, and I may be using that in something as well. And then I wanted some shells, but the Dollar Tree I went to didn't have shells. So off to another store I went. I was hoping Target might have some in some of their area, but I didn't see any. But I did find a couple of lemon-themed items that I hadn't seen before. I think they're for the new lemonade stand collection that they brought out. So let's take a look at those. The very first thing I saw at Target I hadn't seen anywhere else before, and I went to a Target that's a little bit farther away because they have a much bigger Bullseye's playground area than my close Target. But the first thing I found were these napkins. I don't know if you could see them. There we go. Don't want to get glare. They are a lemony yellow with random polka dots on them. And I thought those were so cute. And I already have some lemon slice napkins, but they're a little bit bigger, and I thought these would be good for beverages. So I picked up a couple of packs of those. They were $1. And then I had seen this, Creative Lori had used a couple of these in a display she did, and I was so happy I was able to find them because I found this little lemon dish. And it's white ceramic, shiny glaze on it, and it was also $1. And then I found something I haven't seen anybody show, and they had a couple of different ones, but they are straw charms. Look at these. They look like little lemon leaves. And I use reusable straws in my house, so I thought these would be really cute for decorating on the table during the summer. They also had another one I didn't pick up. It looked like a mason jar mug with lemonade in it in a straw. But these were a little more subtle, and I thought I could use these in different seasons, maybe in the springtime too, with flower theme. So I thought these were a little more versatile than the mugs. Almost got the mugs, but there was only one of those, and I found enough to have 12 of these. So I wanted to make sure I had enough for family get-togethers and that sort of thing. So that's what I found at Target, no shells, so then I went to Walmart. So before I get to my shells, I do sometimes buy some coffee at Target because they have this Green Mountain coffee in hazelnut decaf. And I like to try to drink decaf coffee. I try to avoid the caffeine if I can, but I like hazelnut flavor. And I do order them on Amazon sometimes. But they do carry this in stock at Walmart, and I think it's like $9 for this box. So about 50 cents a cup for this. So it's a pretty good deal. If you like hazelnut, you want decaf coffee, try the Walmart brand. So then I went back to the floral section and did find a bag of shells, and I've already used a few of them, but this huge bag of shells was basically $5. I think it was $4.98. So I went ahead and picked it up. The colors are lighter, which is good because the sand that I have is a white, so I think if I use those two together, they'll look really nice in some kind of display. So you'll have to come back and see what I did once I've put something together with these. I almost forgot. I walked down the floral aisle to get the shells, but then I saw some florals that I hadn't seen before, and I thought they were just so pretty. So the first thing I spotted was this yellow heather, and it looks a lot like something that Dollar Tree was selling, but oh, that's the wrong tag. But as you can see, it was 97 cents a stem, and I thought it was really pretty. And then I spotted some Gerbera daisies that look so realistic, and they were also 97 cents a stem. See how realistic those look with the center here? So I thought together those look really nice, and the heather's kind of coastal looking, so I may use these in with some of my coastal decor, switch things up a little bit from my spring flowers. Well, that's it for this haul. I may have a couple of other hauls coming up with some other items, some patriotic ones and some home decor that's non-lemon or coastal related. So you'll have to come back and see those. If you like this sort of video, why don't you give me a thumbs up? And again, if you are new here, I do post several videos a week. So why don't you consider subscribing by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. I want to thank all of you for watching, and why don't you let me know in the comments if you have any of these items in your home and what you're planning on doing with them. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.